Hi, in today's vlog, I'll be showing you how to install a Bluetooth intercom headset on a normal helmet. The helmet that we're using today is from Axor, and the intercom headset is from VI Moto. The model number is B3. I've given the links in the description in case if you want to buy one of these.
Pull the cover. Pull the cover slowly, slowly.
You,
Yes, that's
you
Mama's.
helmet?
Yes, that's Mama's new helmet. Okay.
New helmet, see? My mama. Wow. Free bag, Papa.
Yeah, it's for keeping
Buy
inside.
one helmet, get one free bag.
Bag they'll give you. It's not free. It's
It is free.
it's a part of the helmet's cost.
It is free, Papa.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the installation instructions. As I said, VI Moto V3. That's the name of this one. Let's flip it open, and over here they've given us photographic instruction on how we need to install this thing. So as you can see, you have a headset unit, and then you have two earphones, and then if you look at the pictures that is there on the right side, one, two, three, four, five, he pictures show you how you can stick the unit to your helmet. Basically, these are installation instructions that they've given. You'll first need to remove the inner lining for the helmet, so it will clear a path for you to wire and install your headphones as well as the mic. So let me show you how to remove the cheek pads, the scalp pad, as well as the front chin skirt. Okay, first we will have to remove the two side pads. So there are clips in the back, so you can just slightly pry on them, it'll come out, and then you can pull out one side cheek pad, then go to the other side cheek pad and repeat the same process. You can remove the buttons that are there. Once they come out, it's quite easy for you to pry this out. Okay, now that I have both the cheek pads out, I'm going to take out the scalp pad. Again, there are buttons behind the padding, so you just need to find out where the buttons are and slowly pull out so they'll come out. Again, noticing compared to my HJC, the scalp pad is not complete. It's got some gaps in there, and you can see the. So this is the position where you will paste the right side earphone, and then let me show you. So this place is where you will paste the left side one. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put the headset. So that's where the unit will get mounted. So I'm going to use both the double side sticker as well as a clip which they have provided. So let's paste the double side sticker here first. Now that it's pasted, I'm going to then put the clip in there. Next thing is that you take the unit, you need to stick the unit, and once the unit is stuck, the base plate unit is stuck, then you push the clip inside and lock it in to the base plate. So now it's mounted not only by the double side sticker, but even the clip is holding, so the chances of it falling down is relatively low. So this is how it looks once you finish mounting the clip in. So there are two slots that you just compress and put it in. Now that the clip's done, what I'm doing is I'm going to remove the sticker. Once the sticker is removed, yeah, I just need to push this up so it gets positioned in place. So let's try this. Okay, and be a bit careful because it's a sticker, it'll stick really quick. Okay, as you can see, I've done it. Now you have the wire here. Now that we have the base plate mounted, it's time to route the wiring and position the speakers into the ear sockets. This will ensure that you are able to hear whatever is being outputted on the speakers clearly. Now, the main challenge that you will face while doing this is routing the wires from behind different paddings that are there and then installing these two headphones into position. chances are you may not get it right the first time. So first see where you want to put it, then ensure that's the right positioning. After that, only stick the double side sticker what I'm showing you. Otherwise, you'll end up sticking it and then you'll have to remove it and then again put it again. So it's kind of gets messy when you have to do it 2 or 3 times. So first figure out where you want to position and then put the double side sticker. In my case, that's where I'm going to put it. Put the double side sticker, then place the earphone speakers, and then you're good to go. So let me paste this there. Okay, now that I've figured out where I want to position my earphone speakers, what I'm going to do is I've complete routing the wiring from behind the sponge, and then I'm going to plug the sponge back in. Soon as that is done, let me lock this down first. As soon as I'm done locking back the pads, the scalp pad, what I would be doing next is that I'm going to stick the headphones that are there. The mic which comes with the Bluetooth, I'll wire that next. Okay, so I'm done with my earphones, so I'm going to finish putting back all the padding. Um, Before that, now that I know the position where the padding is and where the slot is, I'm going to take the cushion and I'm going to put the cushions there in case if my place where my headphone comes is a little too deep inside the helmet, then you can use these round paddings that are there. So you put the padding in and then you put the speaker on the padding so it's much closer to your ears. In my case, I don't need to put the padding because it's not that deep. So what I did is that I just put the double side sticker and then and then the sticker has a Velcro on the other side. So and then I'm using that to mount the speakers. So now the earphone speakers are exactly where my ears would be when I wear the helmet. So that's what I've done over here. Okay, so the next part would be yeah, now everything is done. I've actually gone and fixed the cheek pads back. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is getting the mic installed. So I have two mics here. One is I have a wired mic and then I have a boom mic. I'm going to be using a boom mic. The reason is that when you hold your helmet, you usually hold it by the chin, and then when you use this wired mic, what happens is that you will be putting a double side sticker, and it typically tends to get cut. So I don't want to use the wired mic because of that reason. Just going to leave it aside. And instead, what I'll be using is the boom mic. The boom mic, what I've done is right below the chin strap, I've put in the mounting pad, which is the Velcro, and then I've stuck it to the boom mic, and then I've routed the boom mic to be right in front where my chin would be. So that way, what will happen is that when I speak, it goes directly into the mic. They've given us two sponges that we can use. So I'm going to take one and put that on top of the boom mic. So this will ensure that any wind noise that is there gets eliminated. Now, one of the things that you'll have to see is that there's a lot of wires that are going to be there, a little bit excess wire because this is a generic model. It's not a helmet specific one. So you will have to tuck those wires in before you put in the cheek pad, okay, for the left side cheek pad. And be careful that you don't have any loose wires or your wires are not going to get crimped, because if they do get crimped then you lose audio either on the speakers or your mic will stop functioning and people can't hear you. So now I've got everything fixed and we are all set and ready to go. Everything is back fixed and working as normal. So as you can see, just the Axor, then you have the VI Moto V3 installed on it and it's all ready to be used. So this one, I can pair it with my Sena. I have an SMH5, so I can pair it to the SMH5 and we can not only talk to each other, but we can also share music.